Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Homemade Indian Food. Today we have a special request from Sourav Das for Matar Paneer.
Looks good to me.
Yep, I love this dish. Never made it, but have eaten it at restaurants plenty of times.
Yes.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Alright, let's take a look at the ingredients that we're going to use to make the Matar Paneer. First we have 1 cup of Matar, frozen. I have 1 package of paneer cubed up into Mumsies size bites. I have 1 red onion diced. 4 small tomatoes also diced. 1 green chili diced. 1.5 teaspoons of coconut oil. 3 cloves of garlic crushed. 1-inch knob of ginger minced, 2 green cardamom pods, 10 cashews, 1 bay leaf and 1 inch long of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, 1/8 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/8 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of coriander powder. That's it for the ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started cooking. So Mumsies and I would like to say thank you to everyone. Today we just crossed over our 500th subscriber to the channel. That's awesome, guys. As a very small celebration to that, we thought we would have some new additions to the show. I have the karai heated up, and now I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. To that, I'll add the 2 green cardamom pods. Now we'll add the ginger. And the garlic. Now we'll add the onion. We'll add the tomato. We'll add the turmeric powder. And we'll cook the onions down for about 5 minutes until they soften up real nice. Okay, now we're going to take the onion, tomato, and spice mix, and we're going to put it in a blender, blend it up into a nice puree. One of the suggestions that we had when we made the Shahi Paneer, or even the Palak Paneer, was to, before we actually use the paneer, is to give it a nice fry. And we're going to do that. We're going to try it out. So I have about 3/4 of a teaspoon of ghee. Go ahead and add that to the kadai. Get that melted down, and then I'll add the paneer in, and I'll brown the paneer for a minute or so. So everyone says that this gives the paneer a richer, deeper flavor to it, so we'll try it out. Now we'll get started on finishing off the dish. We'll go ahead and add the rest of the coconut oil. Once that gets melted down, we'll add the bay leaf and the cinnamon. We'll let the bay leaf and the cinnamon saute for a minute. Next, we'll add the tomato onion. Now we'll add the crushed red pepper. We'll add the garam masala. And the coriander powder. Now I'll add the matar. All right, we have this simmering. Now I will cover it. Since it's a brand new kadai, we don't have a lid for it, so I'm just going to use a lid off of one of our other pans. And we'll let this simmer until the gravy thickens, maybe 5 to 10 minutes or so. We'll check it periodically. I'll add the kasuri methi. The diced green chili. And finally, the paneer. We'll get this all mixed in and we'll let this cook for a couple of minutes. Then it'll be ready to serve. Well, how does that look?
It looks great, but it smells delicious.
Yes, it does. Well, are you ready to put it to the test?
I am. Let's eat.
It looks so wonderful. Cheers.
Cheers.
Tremendous flavor, huh?
That is a punch of flavor. That is so good.
And the size of the paneer, is that okay for you?
No, it's still too big, but it's manageable. It's manageable. But the flavor is just
That was like half of Mumsy's happy dance. Wow. Well, what do you think, Sourav? Does this look legit? I don't know. To me, it tastes legit. It is delicious.
It is so good. Ooh, the thumbs up.
I don't know if I made enough for the kids to have some tonight.
Oops.
I'll just say Mumsy's ate it all.
No. Then they'll be mad at me.
Wow. That is just packed with flavor.
It really is.
And I was commenting to Mumsy's as I was getting all the ingredients laid out. Like, wow, how colorful it was.
Oh, yeah.
The reds, the greens, the purples, the oranges, the yellows. I mean, it was beautiful just putting it out.
We're eating the rainbow.
Yeah, very healthy too. Only used a little bit of coconut oil and a little bit of ghee.
Yeah.
Very, very
little.
minimal amounts.
Yep.
But we're getting a lot of good peas and paneer.
It's so good. That was rude.
You can really taste all the tomatoes too. I can really get that tang, that sourness of the tomato.
Definitely.
Really nice. And I don't know if you've noticed this, but can you taste the green chili more in this one?
No, the tingle of the whatever chili,
The chili.
but whatever chili.
I really taste the green chili because it wasn't cooked down as much.
Yeah.
It went in right at the end with the paneer, so
Yeah.
to me it's really flavorful.
This is just tingling on my tongue, so whatever heat it is, that's what I'm feeling.
But the spice level's not bad, right? Okay. Yeah, because I didn't add very much at all. Far less than the recipe called for.
With the comment or suggestion of soaking the cheese in the hot water, it made a huge difference in the texture. I mean, it's softer to bite into. It doesn't feel like it's crumbly
Yeah.
when you eat it now, as opposed to the first time when we didn't know to do that.
Yeah, so we soaked the paneer in hot water for 20 minutes and it really softens it up.
Yeah, that was a great recommendation.
Yeah, so I'll put a link down in the description to the recipe that I followed so that if you want to make the dish, you can go out and get it. It really is tasty. So we hit 500 subscribers today. Woohoo!
Thank you.
Thank you so much. That's awesome.
It is. It really makes us feel good that you all really enjoy what we put out there for you.
Yes. What makes us feel better is all your comments. Absolutely wonderful people.
Definitely.
We enjoy communicating with you so much in the comments.
Yes.
There's a lot of comments. Come to India. Come to India. You can grow your channel. We're not doing this for the sake of growing the channel, but obviously growing the channel will help get us to India faster.
Yeah. But it's to communicate with you all. I mean, really. And that's what's happening. And they're all so heartfelt. All the recommendations and the comments and the suggestions and
Yeah. absolutely
It
wonderful.
really is wonderful.
Yeah, if you want to help make that happen a little bit quicker, we certainly wouldn't mind if you shared the videos with your friends and family. That would perhaps make it happen quicker. Yeah, we'll make everything available on social media if you want to share it there as well.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
trying.
we just appreciate you guys so much and everything that you do.
Definitely.
AB, that did not go unnoticed. Thank you very much for doing that.
Yes. Yeah, that's true.
He's tweeting out our channel to other
Yes.
folks to check out.
Other YouTubers, which is very, very nice thing to do.
I guess I shouldn't say he. I don't know if AB
I
is
don't know
a male
either.
or female. Sorry about that if I was wrong. But yeah,
Thank you, friend.
that did not go unnoticed. Thank you very much.
Yes, that was really sweet of you.
Yes. And Sourav, thank you so much for recommending this dish. It's awesome.
It is awesome.
Very, very tasty.
It
And we really also love its cousin, its brother, its sister, whatever you want to call it, the aloo matar with potato
With
instead of the
potato.
paneer. So we'll have to make that in an upcoming video too. That's one of our favorites also.
Yeah.
We really enjoy that one. Yeah, thank you so much, everyone. We can't say that enough. I mean, without you, we wouldn't be doing this. This is your channel. You've guided us and directed us. We never thought that we'd be cooking, but
No,
we
that's
love
not. Yeah, that wasn't the first intent. But man,
No.
it's been so much fun.
it.
Oh,
Yeah.
I just got one of the peppers.
What will we have next, Malkeet Singh?
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned to find out. Thank you for watching, everyone.
Bye.